Hi,
for the
guys.
following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, and Trumbull in Crawford, Pennsylvania. Wind advisory remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. West southeast winds 25 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Where in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, and Trumbull counties. In Pennsylvania: Crawford County. When until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Additional details: the strongest winds will be generally along and north of Interstate 90 and in the higher elevations of northern Geauga County, Ohio, and Crawford County, Pennsylvania. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. The current time is 4:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
This will DX.
This is NOAA Weather Radio WWG56 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland. We supply the latest available information for the Mahoning Valley over station WWG56 from Youngstown on a frequency of 162.500 megahertz.